For the language, L is equal to a power 2n b power n, where n is greater than or equal to 1. Let us have a string w is equal to a b b. The basic idea is we have to replace the first a with x, and again we have to replace the second a with x and moves in right hand side direction until we reaches b, and replace that b with y and moves in right hand side direction until we encounters x, and convert that a into x, and again we have to convert that a into x and moves in right hand side direction. We have many number of y's and a's, and convert that b into y and moves in right hand side direction and keep the blank as such and halt the process. This is the basic idea for this sum. Step 1 is diagram. Q0 is the initial state, and convert that a with x and moves in right hand side direction, and again we have to convert a with x and moves in right hand side direction, and until we reaches y we have to move in right hand side direction. In that middle we have many number of a's, we just keep as such, and convert that b into y and moves in left hand side direction. In that we have many number of a's, so we just keep that a as such and moves in left hand side direction until we reaches x. We just keep the x as such and moves in right hand side direction, and again convert that a into x, and again we have to convert next a with x and moves in right hand side direction. This process continues, and if we reaches y, just we keep the y as such and moves in right hand side direction, and halt the process, and we can make the step 2 is transition. Here we in row we have to write the states. In column we have to write the input symbol. In Q0 it reads the symbol a and convert that a into x, and moves in state Q1. There is no transition for b, and there is also no transition for x, and y, it reads the symbol y and moves to the state Q4, and it keeps the y as such, so we can write this. Blank, it have no transition. The Q1 it reads symbol a and it convert that a into x and moves in right hand side direction. There is Q1 it has no transition for b, no transition for x, and y also it has no transition for b. Q2 it reads a and keeps as such and moves in right hand side direction. Q2 it reads b and moves in Q3 and convert that b into y and moves in left hand side direction. It has no transition for x and y and blank. Likewise we have to write the transition for all the states.